Go ahead and read.
It's a great question, and again, everything, even the old school, they used to call it, plyometrics, so that was the Russian method of training,
Okay, here I'm sharing with you my tortilla, pepperoni, and meatball pizza. So what I started with was a low-carb tortilla, and to that I added my Rayo's spaghetti sauce. I spread that around, and then I layered my meatballs and my thick sliced pepperoni. And then I took a Fiesta brand cheese and put that on the top. I sprinkled also some Italian seasoning on there. And then I put it on my Traeger grill for about 20 minutes until it was like this. And at the end, I took it out and I ate half of it and I saved half for the next day. It was delicious. Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TNC RV Life. Tony's in the back watching one of his favorite channels on YouTube. Not us, can you believe it? But anyway, I am here to share my week, and I did very well this week. Now, the total loss, I don't remember, but I'm going to put it up over here. I am down to 202.2, so I am very close to Wonderland. I hope that I make it next week, but I'm not sure because we have different plans going on, and I'll share about that later in another video. So what I did this week, I varied my times of eating. Instead of just at 1 o'clock starting to eat, sometimes it was at 2, sometimes it was at 3, but I made sure it was early enough because I do not like going to bed on a full stomach. It doesn't help me to sleep, and I just don't like it. I like when I go to bed on a pretty empty stomach because I wake up not hungry. When I go to bed with a full stomach, I actually wake up hungry. So that works for me. I got in my running almost every day. Amaya decided, she's going to take on this running with me. So at the end of my run, I come back and I get her, and then we walk like around the pond, and we take her to the park, and she just loves it. She's doing better. We had to take her to the doctor last week because she was not feeling well and found out she had an ear infection and croup. So I'm glad Tony and I took her. So she's much better, much, much, much better. She's running around. She's eating again. She's playing. She's not doing a bunch of sleeping like what she was doing. She just wasn't herself. And, sometimes you like babies when they're a little quiet. I don't like it when she's quiet because I know something is wrong. So she's back to her rambunctious self, running around and calling Pop-Up and me. And it's just great. So I had, for my meals, I stretched them anywhere between the half an hour eating window to hour and a half to 2 hours spread out, waiting for something to be done. I love my cucumbers, so I still had those pretty much almost every day. Not every day. I did skip. I had chicken and my Rayo sauce with cheese. I had, what else did I have? Oh, hamburger. Last night we had hamburger. I love hamburger, so I made it with I'm trying to use up the rest of the spaghetti sauce that I have. So I had that, and I ate until I was comfortably stuffed. I heard that from, oh gosh, I can't think of his name right now. It's one of he's a doctor and Dr. Anyway, just to eat till you're comfortably stuffed, not overstuffed. I know the difference between comfortably stuffed and overstuffed. And overstuffed is miserable. And when I do my runs, I actually do them on an empty stomach because I don't want to run around with a bunch of food in my stomach. It just doesn't feel good. I think that's pretty much about it. I had a great week, and hopefully I'm going to be enjoying my meals with more of my family next week. So I'm just going to enjoy myself and spend time with my family, making sure that my food isn't my focus. That is something. I mean, food is important. Yes, it is. But try not to focus solely on your food. Focus on whoever you're spending time with. Tony, Michael. Michael spends more time with he likes to be out with his friends right now and girlfriend. So it's more time with Tony and and I enjoy my food. And then when the eating window is closed, it's closed. I use the Zero app, and I like it. It's helpful. It's free. And if you ever watch Intermittent Fasting Foodie, she uses that. And oh, I have to give a plug for my friend, Losing Laura. If you guys have not checked out her channel, check out her channel. She is so sweet. She, we are doing well with just keeping up with one another, and I just love her channel. And she has these chickens that she has raised, and they know her. She walks out there to her chickens, and they just come to her, and it's so cool. I love it. I love it. Anyway, check her channel out. I think that's about it. I'll put my total weight loss right here if I haven't put it in earlier, because I'm over 40 pounds lost, and I feel it. I see it. I feel it. And my clothes are just time to buy smaller clothing because it's kind of hanging off me, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If the like button, that really makes a difference. It helps us a lot. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.